How to get Moneris API token. First, go to the Moneris website and log into your Moneris Go portal using your merchant account. Make sure you're using your correct store login. Once you're logged in, select your store from the dashboard. Now look at the left sidebar, click Settings, and then choose Developer Tools. In Developer Tools, you'll see the API token section. If you haven't created one before, click Generate. If one already exists, click Show Token, and simply copy it. Remember, Moneris has separate tokens for sandbox and production. Always test in sandbox first before switching to your live environment. And keep your API token secure. Don't share it publicly. Store it in environment variables, and never upload it to GitHub or any shared workspace. And that's it. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.